Hi guys, Terry here. It is a hot day in Columbus, Ohio. It's just beautiful outside. The last 2 days have been beautiful. We had a family death, so it makes you appreciate and take everything in that is beautiful. And I have received some stuff in the mail, and I wanted to show you guys this next sewing kit or sewing project from the Sewers Club. I'll have links to this company. I think it's a really economical value. I'll have a link and the price on the current price on the website. But yeah, let's open this up and see what goodies came this month to make. I've been collecting these kits for about 4 months now. So here's the June thing, and it looks like we are making something with this beautiful fabric. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, it's a bag. Ah, we love our bags, don't we? This looks like so much fun, and I love the fabric. Okay, so they're calling it a on-the-go stylish side tie bag. Cute. It's got the hardware, the thread. Looks like some more hardware. Okay. And this fabric. Oh, look how fun! That must be the inside. Oh, too cute. And you probably could make this on the outside and that on the inside, or vice versa. So cute. Very pretty. So pretty. Love those colors. Just love that. And then the batting for it. So let's see the instructions here. They have a video on their website too that they give you the password to. But there is the picture. It says it's 9.5 by 8.5. And then it's got some really good instructions on how to cut your fabric. Step-by-step instructions. Oh, it's got putting the little loop hardware buckle on. So very cute. Okay, so what I've got to do is start making this stuff and not just collecting it. So I've just got to get the sewing machine out and decide to get through these. I do have the boxes. I got them stacked here somewhere. Oh, there they are over there. So yeah, I need to get on it. I think what I like about their kits is they are something that you could accomplish in a day. So you know, you watch the video and then cut the fabric like they're saying, and then make it. So yeah, we've got kind of the family stuff situated, taking care of our father-in-law. Our mother-in-law passed away last week, so we're still going through that. And she was a sewer, so you know, I just need to get back on my crafting stuff. We will miss her dearly. And if any of you out there are going through stuff with cancer or losing a loved one, our heart goes out to you. This has been very gut-wrenching, and just trying to keep everybody's spirits up and get through it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this sewing box. If you're also receiving it and making stuff with it, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear what everybody's making, and we will talk soon. Bye, guys.